All right, today we're gonna actually bring a tester, and this is an electrical tester, and it has a dual range non-contact voltage tester. That's what it is. So it does have a flashlight, it has different beeping sounds, and they include the batteries too. We're gonna actually use this because we're setting up some lights in here. I want to make sure that's not hot. So go ahead and replace the batteries. So let's open it up here in the back. If you guys can see that, I'm opening it. That's where the battery goes. And they go into this tunnel, and basically they're going to be facing down because there's no spring. All right. So, and there it is. Light. Simple. Testing. Green. Nothing here, but we're going to put something so you guys can test it out. Right now, if you guys can see, it does different voltage. 12 to 1,000 volts, 70 to 1,000 volts. So anything higher than 70. So right now we're going to do 12 because you could do car batteries, you could do your home fixtures and so forth from here. Very simple. And I like that the light is very simple. Look at that. This fits in your palm of your hand. It's a must if you're an electrician, or if you're like me that's scared of electricity, don't want to touch anything without making sure that it's not live. This is a perfect tool. Construction next door, so sorry about the noise. This is an actual light. Look at, I'm not even close by it. It's already giving me negative that this is hot line. And of course, it is off the actual wall. And if I get closer here to do these right here, look at that. Look at that. This one's negative. Easy to test out. So yeah, that's a live connection. We're going to test the lines out with the actual tester, right? It turns off after a couple minutes. So let's go ahead and test the line out. Make sure it's not hot. This is the hot, all right? So we're good. Ground. So we're not getting anything, which is good. Another great thing is if you ever turn it on and you want to turn it off so it's conserve battery, you can hold on the power button and it turns off after the second beep. Like the tool, it's a must for any electrical work that you're going to do, just to be safe and the cautious. Perfect tool. I hope you guys enjoy the video.